Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to prepare Afang soup with fresh Afang leaves, and here are the ingredients. First, slice the Afang leaves, blend or pound it, then slice the water leaves and set aside. Clean the dry fish in hot water, remove the bones, and then set the fish aside for later use. Now season the assorted meat and stockfish with onions, seasoning powder and salt to taste. Leave it to boil in its juice for a few minutes, then add a little water and cook until tender. Afang soup is almost liquid free, so feel free to scoop out some of the meat stock if you want. Now that the meat is done, add the cleaned dried fish, palm oil, pepper, ground crayfish and seasoning cube to taste. You can also add periwinkles if you're using, then leave to boil for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the Afang leaves. Simmer for 3 minutes before adding the water leaves. Also add salt to taste and leave to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. It is also common to see people add the water leaves before the Afang leaves, but it is just a matter of preference. The soup will turn out delicious whichever way you choose. And here you have a delicious Afang soup. Serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe and check out our website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.